We are so excited for a fun evening here at Magic Kingdom.
So where will we go today? Meet me out among the endless possibilities. We'll laugh all the clouds away. I know someday we'll have to stay, but where will we go today?
So one of the things we're dealing with today is there are thunderstorms all around the Magic Kingdom. So if it's lightning, certain outdoor attractions will actually be closed temporarily. So right now, with lightning still around, we have a fast pass for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. We're actually going to go see if we can't get on that before the weather shuts anything down.
The sign said it was called the Adventure Cavalcade. So like it had people like run like we've never seen a cavalcade, so it was really cool.
Yeah, and Martha said hi to me.
We got delayed by the cavalcade. Still looking pretty ominous. Hopefully we can get over there to Seven Dwarfs. Really dark clouds.
Running after Tigger.
Uh-oh. Tigger and Pooh might melt if it rains.
Tigger was just bouncing off and she was like, Tigger, Tigger! I think Tigger's in trouble.
Okay, they told us they're probably about to shut it down, so we're gonna go try to take shelter at Space Mountain if we can make it there. It's looking pretty ominous, but it's about to rain. It started. It's raining. We made it to Space Mountain.
Teamwork right there. Good job, everybody.
Now here we go.
It doesn't rain in space.
We ran from Seven Dwarfs. Actually, we didn't really run. We walked really fast. Effie lost a shoe, and I was like, just leave it. I'm just kidding. We got the shoe. But we made it, and it started raining as soon as we got here. So, whoo, I don't know how long it'll rain, but hopefully it'll be done by the time we get out of here if we're lucky.
Okay, here we go. About to launch. ride I never want to ride with the lights on.
You realize how close you are to that track, actually, the lights
I don't want to
on?
know.
The lights are actually kind of always a little bit on because of the people mover, but during the Halloween party, it's pitch black, which actually I think would
Probably
be better.
Yeah, I don't want to hear, yeah.
We made it out of Space Mountain. It's the first time I wanted Space Mountain's line to be a little longer. We actually made it really quickly through. We came out, it's still raining, but not so bad, not worth getting a poncho out for. So we're gonna do the Carousel of Progress.
There's a great big beautiful tomorrow, and tomorrow's just a dream away. So there's a great big beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day. There's a great big beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away.
Well, we really enjoyed the Carousel of Progress and the updates to the modern family. It was nice to see the animatronics were better, their hairstyles were cuter, and their clothes was a little bit more modern too. So, good job.
It is still very wet, but it's not raining at the moment. But now we're gonna head to dinner. So hopefully if it does start raining again, maybe it'll wait till we get to dinner.
Eating at the Plaza Restaurant, which is right on Main Street, right at the hub. It's a pretty small restaurant, which I actually kind of like, but it's a little harder to get into sometimes. Like today, she was saying we had to wait about 20 minutes, even though we had a reservation, because when it rains, people seem to linger longer, so it's harder to turn the table. So stuff like that's interesting to know. I didn't know, but we're really looking forward to eating here.
So I got the pot roast, Lulu got the meatloaf, and then Monica, what'd you get?
I got a chicken sandwich.
What'd you get?
Cheeseburger and Lulu killed her sandwich.
Well, the plaza was excellent. We had a great time. Yay!
Oh, we're getting wet! We're getting wet!
We're getting wet.
Does this count as our bath for today?
That was so much fun! It's a wet ride now.
Please rate here and I'll try. Thank you.
We made it on Splash Mountain. It's gonna be our last ride of the night.
It's actual. Everything is satisfaction.
We are so excited to watch Enchantment tonight. There have been some much needed and much begged for changes to the introduction of this. That includes Walt Disney himself, so we're really excited to see it projected on the screen.
It is already been called a whole new Disney World. As you can see on this map, we have a perfect location in Florida. There's enough land here to hold all the ideas and plans you can possibly imagine.
And discover a world full of wonder.
It's been an awesome trip to Walt Disney World, as is every trip. Every trip holds its own magic. Every trip is extra special, and this was no different. We had a great evening tonight in Magic Kingdom, even dodging rain showers and getting rained on in rides, and it was just perfect in every way. So thank you so much for liking this video, for subscribing to our channel, and don't forget to go to my website for a quote, ftjtravelbymonica.com, and we will see you real soon.